Welcome back to another year of the Ruffed Grouse Society's Upland Bird Hunt in the PA Wilds. We found 24 grouse in 2 days and put our hunters on their first grouse and their first woodcock. It was an honor to be part of the event, and I look forward to doing it again next year. Hope everyone enjoys the video and can support the Ruffed Grouse Society by either renewing your membership or buying some RGS gear from their online store. Hope you enjoy. Grouse coming to you, Larry. You knocked him down? Was that a gray face?
Yeah.
Was that a gray tail? I think it was. That's the one I'm searching for. 45 yards there. We got a dog on point out in front of you. You get him? Come here. No. Come here. Drop. Nope. Drop. He got that bird. That's a big male too. Hang. On the board. Atta boy, Tim.
Let's see why you sent me out to the road.
Yeah, that gets nasty down there. Look at that, man. It's a big old male.
Super.
Yeah. Great shooting. There you go.
Like I said, it was like shooting sporting clays.
Yeah.
It was right over top of a oil well.
Was it?
Yeah.
Nice. Larry had one fly across the road right in front of him. He should have knocked that sucker down too.
Enough of that.
There you go. Damn. Shot the hell out of that tree. There's one grouse somewhere. Oh, right here. Yep, we gotta follow that up. Oh. Should have had 2 more birds out of that.
That was pretty wild.
Shit.
What are the odds of that cripple flying to where the 2 others are sitting down?
I know. Crazy. There was 4 birds that come out of there.
4 came out of there.
Yeah. I missed 2 flying right across the road.
I'm standing on a log when the second one gets up, and I'm trying to deftly pirouette to shoot. Fell down on my ass.
It's a love-hate relationship with these damn grouse.
Ah. And the second one was a gray face.
Was it?
Yes,
Son of a bitch. Oh, man.
but I mean, came at me just like that. I thought, I'll just take it going away. No!
Whoa. Go ahead, walk up in there. Whoa. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there's a grouse right there. Straight up.
Gone?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yep, right there where he's standing, where it come out. There it is. Nice shot. That bird. Good job. All right. Good job, man.
Yeah.
That bird.
Good one. Nice.
Atta boy.
Woodcock?
Yep. That bird, come here. Shit.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Drop. Hey, no. Drop. Drop.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Shit. Shot him in his ass.
There you go, man.
Going away. All right.
Job. Yeah, we're on the board.
On the board.
Thanks for watching. Click subscribe and help us grow the channel.